Claude Cowork can be the most powerful AI tool, but only if you use it properly.
Every time I opened Claude, I had to explain my whole business again from scratch.
So feature number one that you might have missed is Claude Cowork projects. And after I explain very simply what this is, I'm going to show you how to configure it as well as exactly how I'm using projects to make Cowork so much better for myself. This is probably one of the best features that they've released in my opinion, just because it helps you stay organized and can help with a really crucial problem that I'm going to talk about here in a second.
Claude projects fix that. It remembers your name, your goals, and your instructions every single time. Set it up once and it never forgets you. That alone saved me hours every single week.
So a project basically gives Claude a space where it keeps your files, instructions, and memory in one place. So think of this as kind of like an ecosystem inside of Claude Cowork. So we have our instructions, we have specific context, we have specific tasks, and we have memory that it condenses into this ecosystem.
But what if Claude could do your work automatically, even while you sleep?
Going on to feature number two, and I personally, and I know plenty of other people that have replaced N8N for this specific feature that they just released a couple of weeks ago. So before this feature, you could see all these nodes that you had to run inside of N8N. You had to figure out how to configure them, add all of your different applications to it, set up all this stuff that if you're non-technical was just a headache.
Claude's scheduled tasks change that. Tell it what to do and when to do it. It runs everything automatically, emails, reports, content tracking, all done before you even wake up.
I really hated doing this. Well, now you could basically tell Claude Cowork to run a specific task on a schedule, and it can do this for you automatically and knows exactly how to do that task because it has all of these skills directly inside of your system. You can pick when it runs, whether you want to do it hourly, manually, daily, weekly, on the weekends, literally whenever you want to do it.
But here's the crazy part. What if you could control all of this straight from your phone?
Moving on to feature number three. Up until now, we've been bound to our computer. If we're on the go, we can't go ahead and actually have Claude perform specific tasks for us unless it's a scheduled task already. So this feature right here called Dispatch basically allows you to text Claude from the mobile app and have it work on your desktop while you're not there.
Then I texted Claude from my phone. My computer woke up, opened my files, did the work, and sent everything back to me. Nobody in that meeting had a clue.
And this isn't just having Claude browse the internet for you, answering questions. This is giving Claude actual capabilities to make changes to the folders on your computer.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory. It's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
So anything you could do inside of Cowork, you can do with this feature from your phone. Basically, you could text it something like pull my analytics, and it will literally pull the information from your folders, generate specific files, and send it to you.
And wait till you see what happens when Claude can actually see your screen and click things for you.
So moving on to feature number four that you might have missed, and this is a big one. People are going crazy about this. Claude can now see and control your computer screen. It can click, type, and navigate any of the apps natively on your computer, and I'm not talking about the ones you connected inside of Claude. In order to break this down a little bit more, I want to talk about this kind of pyramid that you're seeing on screen here.
Claude's computer control lets it see your screen, click buttons, open apps, and move files all on its own. One simple task. Walk away. Come back and it's done.
So we have a couple of different tiers. We have our top tier, which is basically connectors that I just showed you earlier on in this video. So that is where Claude has access to your specific apps just by clicking connect. And this is the best and the fastest way to perform actions across your apps. If there is something that you need to do that Claude does not connect to, it will then use your browser with something called browser use, which if you don't already have.
Stack these 4 features and you've got an AI quietly running your side hustle around the clock. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.